me for money, jumped on that for a faith. That for a faith. For a faith? Don't. You tripping? Don't. I'm broke, baby.
Felo TV. What's happening, man? Today, my very first track day. We are at Atlanta Drag in Cummers, Georgia. Fast guy. That's Matt, Cheyenne, and Jay-Z. Don't let him fool y'all. They fast guys. Jocko over there, fast guy too. Y'all see, I'm surrounded, right? 4 horses in a boat. That shit look crazy. Big drags. She ain't on drags yet. That's another one. How many races you finna win?
Probably 2.
All of them. How many races you finna win?
Every single one.
Again, probably all of them. He winning all of them. We know Jay-Z winning all of them. And as y'all know, I'm stock as hell. They not, they stop. But I got a big ass boat. But yeah. So, first track day, everybody got their hood pop. Jock ain't racing right now. He needs some tires. But as y'all can see, got the GoPro mounted to the helmet. 253. We gonna see what we do. We gonna see this. I always want to go down the track. Even when I was a kid, I used to go to Atlanta Motor Speedway and go to the Friday night drags after school. My parents would take us. Shit was fun. I used to watch them love going down the track. Finally got a chance to do it. I'm gonna go down this track. I don't know. I ain't gonna do so much talking in the video, but yeah. Want to like, comment, share, subscribe, browse.
I'm part of low and slow. You know what I'm saying?
Slow.
I ain't racing low and slow. You feel me?
I already told you ain't got no tires.
I'm finna be fast and low, goddamn. You feel me? Low and fast.
You feel me? You hear me? So I don't know. I'm gonna stay stock for a little bit, but I don't know. I might do something one day. I might try to go on E. I wanna say I might go E. Supercharger. I ain't gonna supercharger. But nah, so yeah. The next thing y'all see me, I'll probably be lined up. Because I seen like a lot of fast cars over there. We right here. We really waiting on one more. So I'm gonna try to go down there. It looks like it's gonna start storming and I do not need that. I hope y'all can see. Nah, I'm pissed off, man. Man, I ain't gonna lie to y'all, boy. On my heartbeat. I'm nervous as shit. We getting closer and closer to the time. I ain't never did this before. I don't know why I'm so nervous. Like I feel my heart. I don't know. They did it. They do this. This is my first time. I'm sweating. Really because it's hot outside. You gotta have pants on. My thing is, dog, I'm slick nervous. My thing is I don't want to get like big gap. Like, cause I know it ain't too many stock cars out here. But I don't know. I'm gonna beat somebody. Somebody gonna get beat for sure. You hear me? I'm beating somebody. So I don't know. I'm gonna cancel my lunch real quick because I had it on. TV, man. I'm gonna go ahead and end that one right there. Only got 2 races in because for some reason the track had shut down a little early. Not shut down a little early, but we was held up for a little bit. I don't know what's going on. Only got 2 races. They were 2 good ones. Second one was a gap. The first one was a gap. Second one was worse. I ain't gonna lie, jumped on the first one. If I can find my damn tickets, I can play out my tickets. I ain't too knowledgeable on the track stuff, but which one? Trying to get that lined up. The one on my left was the first race. The one on the right is my second race. So, all in all, it improved. Because like I said, this is my first time at the track. So, with this being my first time at the track, I feel like I did great. Definitely can't wait to come back. I hope I can get more races in. But I was told by the crew that 3 races normally be the max because it be so many people, and then I guess they shut down like this all the time. Or because it's not really shutting down. They let the pro cars go. Then they gotta re-prep the track. After they re-prep, they let the regular people go. And then again, they prepping for the pros, and again, because they close at 11. So I mean, but next time for sure, I'm gonna definitely go ahead. We're gonna do some more. I can't wait. This shit was fun as hell. Good experience. I'm definitely gonna bring you out more track footage. September 19th, we're doing another grudge day. I'm definitely gonna be on the track that time. Y'all know I have my car. But I'm gonna go ahead and let that go, man. Catch y'all next time.